Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another Qshell command which is related to timestamp. Mainly, in one of our previous session, we have also discussed about the timestamp for some of the examples, right? But from today, what we are going to discuss about the format specifier for timestamps. Okay. Now, for those who don't know what is timestamp, timestamp is a combination of current date and current time. Okay, and if you talk about the project related things, then this is one of the most important topic, because in project there are various type of situation where we are supposed to format the date or time as per the client requirement. Okay, so that's why we should know about each and every type of format specifier so that we can utilize it. Okay, command is not that much of difficult. Access specifier is not difficult. We just need to prepare at least one. Like once you have covered these example only one or two times, then whenever there is a requirement in your project, then you can simply utilize this. Okay, so how we are going to proceed with this session? like uh, Firstly, I'll tell you like how we can fetch the current timestamp using Qshell command, and what all values or what all data comes with that timestamp. And once everything is clear, then I'll show you format specifier. Okay, so in this session we are going to cover three format specifier. We will also explore some of the different type of scenarios with those specifiers. Okay, fine. So let me show you how we are going to write QSH here. Like firstly, you just need to write here QSH. What QSH will do, it will open the Qshell command entry screen. Now on this Qshell command entry screen, when you write date, as I told you, that command is very easy. You just need to write here date. Once you write date, it will and hit enter, it will return the current timestamp. Okay, so it is as simple. Now if you look at this timestamp, what all values we are getting from here? Firstly, it is running MON. That means it is a day. So it is returning Monday. Then we have APR. Now what is APR? APR is a April. It is denoting the month. Likewise, if you look at the 15, it is denoting the date. Okay, so day is 15th. Then it is showing the current time, which is 13, 15, 24. HH, MM, SS, which means hours, minutes, and seconds. Then it is showing the universal time format, which is coordinated unit universal time, and then it is showing the year, which is 2024 current year. So if you use the date times to fetch the current timestamp again, you will notice that now the time has been changed. Why? Because every time it is returning the current date and time. Clear? So yeah, these are the basic thing that we should know before understanding the format specifier. Now we will talk about the format specifier. So today for this session we are going to cover three format specifier, which I have already noted down on the Qshell on my second session scratchpad. So which is like this. Okay, the first specifier is for year. Got it. Fine. So just copy it from here, and now I'm going to show you like how we can fetch a particular data or particular portion from this entire timestamp. Because let's say if your client has asked you to print only the current year on a particular screen, not the current timestamp, so in that case you can utilize the format specifier. For that you just need to write here date, then plus, then double quote, and inside that you can write plus y. Okay, then double quote to close it. Now once you hit enter on this command, it will return the current year, which is 2024. So this is the current year which we have got with the help of format specifier percentile y. Remember one thing, whatever the things we are discussing here, you can make a combination of it. Okay, so it doesn't matter that you are supposed to use only that specifier once a time, right? You can change it, you can make a combination of different specifier. Okay, so here you can see we have just provided one command, which is date, then space plus, inside double quote we have passed percentile y, and y is capital. Okay, so remember one thing here, the meaning of access specifier is different every time. Why? Why I'm saying that? Because let's say if instead of capital Y, if I pass it as small y, what it will do? It will return the year but in 2-digit number. Previously it was returning 2024, but now it is returning only 24. Clear? Fine. So this is how we can utilize the uh, date command with format specifier capital Y and small y. Although I'm going to show you a separate 3 specifier in a separate session, but still you can explore by changing the case of the, let's say if you have got the capital Y, then you can try with small y. If you are working with small y, then you can try with capital Y. So that will improve your skills, okay? Because every time when we explore something, then we got to learn something new, okay? Fine. Now we will look at the second specifier, which is for month. So here, uh, if I ran this thing, which is date space plus uh, double quote percentile m and double quote for closing. On pressing enter here, you can see it is returning 4. Now what is 4? Here 4 is denoting the month, current month. So 4 means April. So whenever you want to show only month, current month in 2-digit format, then you can use the format specifier as percentile small m. Now here is one twist. If you change the percentile small m with percentile capital M, in this case it is returning 19. Now my question is, why it is returning 90? Okay, is it minute or is it something different? Okay, so similarly if I ran it again, you can see again it is returning 20. If I ran it again, it is changing every time. Okay, so this thing maybe I'll tell you in next time, like in the next part of this series, like when we discuss about the specifier. For time being, you just understand, like when we are passing small m, in that case it is returning the 4, which is current month. So we have learned 3 things now. Capital Y is for full year 2024, small y for 2-digit year, which is 24, then small m for month, and for capital M I'll tell you later. Okay, fine. Now we will move to the next one, which is D. So if I copy this, which is for day of the month, and if I paste it here, same format, date space plus double quote percentile D percentile. Sorry, date space plus double quote percentile D double quote. On pressing enter here, you can see it is returning 15, which is nothing but the day of the month. Clear? Fine. Now here on this part, if I change the small d with capital D, then see what happened. So I just changed the small d with capital D and now I'm hitting enter. On pressing enter, it is returning the date. So this is just for your information, like whenever we want to fetch only the date portion from a current timestamp, then in that case you can utilize the format specifier percentile D, and it will return you the date in MMDDYY format, which is for month, day and year. Got it? So these are the all steps which we are supposed to perform in order to you can say format the timestamp. And as I told you that you can use the combination as well. Let's say I want to print firstly the month and after that I want to print the year, so I can simply write here capital Y and hit enter. So you can see it is returning 4, which is month, 2024, which is year. Okay, so likewise you can make a combination, and it totally depend on your format. Let's say if after that again I write percentile small y, so it will return like this. 4 is for month, then we have 2024 for complete year and 24 for 2-digit year. Okay, so you can create your scenarios, like you can explore the things, and as per your need you can simply use this access not access the format specifiers. Okay, so I hope these all things are clear to you. And regarding CL program, like as you already see that these are not that much of difficult. So I think now we have already discussed various many times the CL program. So same format you can use, but still if you face any issue, then you can put in the comment and I'll discuss like how we can use it, that particular thing in CL. But for now I'm just gonna show you one example for the date specifier or format specifier. For later examples, I'm not going to show you these things again. Okay, so just listen carefully. Like, you just need to write here DCL for declaring the variable, provide your variable name, type, storage and length, then simply hit enter. Then use chgvar to write the command. So here I'm providing the variable name and date plus double quote percentile %t. Remember, here we are just putting one plus just for the specifier, but once you hit enter you will see that there is another plus. This is for line change and it is coming automatically by the program. So you just need to take F4 and just put your correct command and it will accordingly change your line wherever it is needed. And then simply write strqsh to run the command, and here you can see ampersand command, which is my variable name, and we are good with this. So later you can try your combination, whatever the requirement, accordingly you can print the data. So if I call it, you can see it is currently printing the date because we have tried with a capital D. Okay, so yeah, these are the three format specifier which I would like to share with you all in this session. For the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.